So we have money buying items and making change using a number line. We're going to use a number line in today's problem. We're going to buy a coloring pad for $2.72 and markers for $1.49. When we buy things, we add them together to get a total. So we're going to add 9 cents plus 2 cents. Those are pennies. So that's the ones place. And then we have the 7 and 4 in the tens place or the dimes. 9 plus 2 is 11, so we're going to leave a penny and we're going to add our dime or 1 to the tens place. 7 plus 1 plus 4 is 12 dimes. We're going to leave our 2 dimes or 20 cents and we're going to bring over our 10 dimes or a dollar to the dollars place. So 2 plus 1 is 4. So our total that we're spending on a coloring pad and markers equals $4.21. That's the total that we're spending. Now we need to pay and get change. We're going to pay with a $10 bill. So today we're going to use a number line. Now using a number line is really turning subtraction into addition. We're going to take our total of $4.21. That's what we spent on the coloring pad and markers. And we're going to hop over and see how much change we get back if we get to $10, because we're paying with $10. We're really doing $10 take away $4.21 to give us change. But using a number line, we can hop over and then add our hops to see the total change we get back. Now, our first hop should be 4 cents because if we look at 21 cents, we like to get to numbers that are easy to work with. We have 21 cents, but if we add 4 more cents or 4 pennies, $4.21 plus 4 pennies will give us $4.25. And that's a nice number to work with because 25 cents is a quarter. So I'm showing you the math here, $4.21 plus 0.04 or 4 pennies will give us $4.25. Now we still need to get to $10. So let's look at our 25 cents. If we add 75 cents to 25 cents, that would give us $1. 3 quarters plus 1 quarter equals $1. So if we add our 0.75 to our $4.25, we'll have a nice number to work with. We will end up at $5. Using a number line, it's very important to work with numbers that have base 10 zeros or 5s. They're easier to work with. So right now we're at $5 and we need to get to $10. We can make one final jump by adding $5. $5 plus the $5 we already have will give us the $10. So that's a nice jump. Now to get our final answer of how much change we get back, we just have to add our hops. We always want to start out with the biggest hop, which was $5. So we're going to write our 5.00. And we're going to add our 75 cents because we hopped by 75 cents. And then we also added 4 pennies or 0.04. If we add our 3 hops, that will give us our final answer. Our final answer is $5.79. Now that's how much change we get back. If we bought a coloring pad and markers, that cost $4.21 and we paid with $10. Those are our hops to get to $10. And our final change that we get back is $5.79. Be aware, math is everywhere.